Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go into recovery mode on macOS. Go into recovery mode, you need to first quickly press on the power button and then press on Command and R and keep pressing until the Apple logo disappears. So let's click on power button and then quickly Command R. And let's keep pressing. Now, since the logo has disappeared, you can release the buttons and wait for recovery mode to start. And now you are in recovery mode, so you can restore your Mac from Time Machine, reinstall macOS, go into Safari or Disk Utility. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.